Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if today is your first time, you're highly welcome. So today we're talking about frontals and how it fits my hairline. As you can see, my hairline is starting all the way back there, and then my edges are all the way to the front. So I'm going to be customizing my frontals in such a way that it's going to fit my hairline. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Not to worry about the cap, I'm going to take it off, so I'm not going to use it under the wig. I just use it to lay down my edges. So this is a wig I'm going to be using. I actually did this wig myself, so I'm going to leave a link in the description box or in the card up, so just in case you want to check those out. So the first thing I do is to make sure it fits my hairline. So I want it to cover my edges, yeah, but I don't like the front because it's way too low for me. It does not replicate the natural flow of my hair. So I'm just kind of like making sure that where my hairline is starting, I mean where my edges are, is the same place I'm laying my frontal edges. So I'm doing the same thing for both sides. So before you want to do anything, you want to make sure that the both sides of your ears are laying very flat, like they are covering, they are where they are supposed to be before you do any customization. As you can see, my front, my forehead, my hair is starting all the way back there, and then I have all this excess hair all the way to the front. I really appreciate my forehead, so I'm not going to reduce it. So I'm going to take out all of those hair covering my forehead. Yes, I do appreciate my forehead. Thank you. So as you can see from the forehead, I already started plucking it out. I didn't even know that the records it stopped recording. So but still, I'm still going to show you because I still have a lot to take out. So I'm still going to show you how to do so. So just watch and you'll see how I'm going to take it out. I'm just sectioning the part out little by little, then I'll kind of like twist it. Is it twist or wrap it around my my fingers, then pull it out just like so. I take out another one, roll it, then pull. You're going to take it out in sections and little sections. If not, it's not going to pull out. It's going to tear your frontal and all your hard work is going to be ruined. So you want to take it little by little. So before you do any part, make second coat now and wait until it's clear before I put my lace down. So now my ghost bun is dried, so I'm just going to start. I do this in 3 sections. I start from my forehead, I start from the middle part, then after laying it down I use my rat tape comb to like press it down, then before I move to the other side, yes, just like so, press it down with my comb before I go to the other side. I just do it 3 times in 3 sections. I'm just pressing it down to make sure it's all nice and secure on my scalp. Okay, time to cut off the lace. I start to cut my lace from the middle part, then I just cut along the line where my hairline, the hairline of the frontal is, where the hairline of the frontal stops. Then I just kind of follow it down until I'm done cutting the lace off. So just watch and see what I'm doing. And try not to cut yourself as you're cutting the lace. Okay, over to the other side. I'm just going to repeat the same thing I did on the other side. And when I'm done cutting, I'm just going to go in with my rat tape comb again to like press it down, using the hair to press it down. So I'm just trying to curl my side bones to create baby hairs. I think I'm going to take out all those baby hairs later, because I'm not the baby hair type. But let's see how it goes. So I'm going to part this hair in the middle. I'm not going to do too much style on this hair. I'm just going to part it in the middle, and that'll be all. After I'm done parting the hair, I'm just going to use my styling foam to because I want everything to slip and flat. So I'm just gonna cut a little baby hair in the front. I don't know, I don't want it so obvious anyway, so I'm just gonna apply my styling foam on it, then I'm gonna tie it down. So I'm going to go in with my scarf, then I'll tie it down after some time, then I'll take it off. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please like this video if you haven't yet. Subscribe to my channel, please. Comment on this video also, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And please, I have I'm going to leave the link to this video to how I made the wig, so just in case you want to watch it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.